Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to turn on hyphenation in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. With normal word settings, when there is a very long word at the end of a line, I made this word as an example. This word is completely transferred to a new line and we get a not very nice situation. At the left side is a line, but we have a very large gap on the right side. In order to align the text, select this paragraph and select the Justify button to align the text to the width. Note that the rest of the text is aligned, and in the second line the distance between the words is noticeably greater than in all other lines. We can manually split a word with a hyphen to indicate hyphenation, but this is inconvenient, and when changing the font size, for example, the text may change its structure. It's better that the word itself places hyphenation in the text. Go to the Page Layout tab and select Hyphenation, and in the drop-down list select Auto. As you can see, after enabling this option, all the words have been moved, and the entire text is beautifully aligned without spaces between words. I recommend doing this at the very end after typing, so that long words don't jump up and down the lines, preventing you from typing. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.